Hi everyone, today we are going to share our experience about the Renault Nissan car manufacturing plant. We were taken into the plant by a set of people. As we were children, we were not allowed into a certain parts of the plant as it was about heavy machining and heavy duty machines. As you can see that the car had been made by many parts such as electronics, body, inner, dashboard and many. We were not taken into the press plant as it was about full of heavy duty machines and sharp objects, and as children we may get hurt. So we were taken to the other plants such as the car storage facility, the assembly plant. We were also seeing about automated robots which were programmed to move on a particular line in which the employees used to keep a path and the machine just keeps to move, and when the machine reaches a certain part, the employee takes it and fixes to the car.
It is known as an AGV, automated guided vehicle. It had a sensor which said it where to go. It used to follow a line of any color. You can program it very easily. We also saw robotic hands which was used for the car assembly and the body works. It was mainly used for painting as the paint that the car used. If you see in the car, it has a shine. This is produced by some particles which are harmful for the human's lungs. Hence, we were not allowed into the painting compartment of the factory, and no one was allowed, and it was fully automated for painting. The kicks, if you see here, it has so many curvatures and lines in it. This is caused due to a high pressure press in the factory. This is why we are not allowed, and and there were heavy duty AGVs there which used to move much faster and without stopping, so that we may get into one's path, and so that it may be a danger, so we were not let to go. Instead we went to the water reservoir, which the Nissan has a really nice idea of saving water when rain comes and reusing the water. They have a separate plant for turning the bad water into good water by purification methods, for sewage separately and for the used machinery or water to clean the vessels separately. I think this is a really good idea as it saves the environment. We saw many birds there bathing. If a bird baths in a place, the place has to be nice and clean, otherwise the bird won't bath in it, as the birds know what microbes will do to its feathers. Now we will go inside and see the interior, and I will say how the interior is made. Now we are going to see about the interior of the Kicks car. The car has a dashboard which has a nice artificial leather, and the feel of the seats are too nice. The seats are made up of real leather too. The seats have a comfortable feel in our back and does not induce back pain. The controls, if you see here, this is a monitor for seeing. There is also a camera option in it. There is back camera, front camera and side cameras. The controls are also present in many other Nissan cars. This is a common feature now in many Nissan cars, and they are also being introduced into Renault cars. The factory we visited was a Renault and Kicks incorporation. If you see now, the seat, first the outer body was made, and after that the engine was placed under the hood and the axles were placed. After placing the axles and the engine, the top was placed and welded by machines and employees. Then after that, the windows were placed, and before the windows were placed, first the dashboard and the connection inside them and the harnesses were placed, and then the dashboard was placed.
And as you see, for perfection than humans, robotic arms were used to place the windows and glasses to make sure that there is no leakage of water. And the car is also tested many times for waterproofing and seen by laser and humans 2 to 3 times for perfection to see whether there are any dents, scratches or any other defects on the car. If there's a defect, the part will be replaced, or if it is a large defect, as you can see that before the dashboard is placed, the doors are taken off to prevent further damage, and after the dashboard, the steering wheel and the seats are placed, the doors are bring back with the side mirrors, the fittings and also the windows, and placed to the car to prevent further damage, as the doors may get damaged when opened and closed by getting heavy machines to place this in.
Then after this, the gearboxes are again checked, and after this, the windows, as you see, the glass panels are fitted. The front windshield is and the back windshield are siliconed inside by the means of robots, so that there is not an differential occurring in the windows and leak to prevent leaks. The windows from the side doors are fitted by hand. They have rubbers in the sides of the windows to prevent any leaks. And the performance was tested in one of the two tracks, and a few certain 2 numbers or 3 numbers of a car from each batch was tested in a long drive. It had many rough terrains such as pavement blocks, speed breakers, mud and rocks and asphalt, and it has many other also. I forgot them. We were not allowed to shoot inside the factory, as it was really confidential, and they did not want us to shoot in the factory, so we did not have any pictures or clips of the inside car manufacturing.
As for 7th grader, it was very helpful for us to learn about how a car works, how it is made, and what are the parts of a car factory. We thank Nissan
and Autorally and Nissan officers and Autorally team for helping us in seeing the car factory. It was a nice visit, and they explained everything in detail. It was really nice.
We also had
Thank
a
you, Nissan.
PPT and a time schedule to make sure that we completed the whole factory. But if you want to see everything in detail, it would take about 2 days. So we only saw the main part.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.